What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on OX protocol, also known as ZRX, which has gone through a major increase in value, not just in the last 24 hours, but as you guys can see, over the last few weeks it has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be going through what is next for the crypto. Can it potentially head up to the dollar mark anytime soon? And also looking at buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy it? Is it way too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it before it crashes back down? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So also covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect? And is it still a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of ZRX, which is here in purple at just below 46 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at just under 80 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from ZRX over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is, as you guys can see, it's done over 42% increase in the last 24 hours. So personally, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, the crypto is slightly overvalued, so I'm expecting it to take a little dip back down in value. However, don't get me wrong, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, potentially heading to around 83-84 cents before it slowly starts to hit red candles towards this evening and early hours of tomorrow, dropping down to around just above 70 cents in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. So do expect quite of a wave, but the overall outcome does mean to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, so as you guys can see, both the lines are looking quite steep, meaning it's not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, I am expecting ZRX to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, even though I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction by mid next week, hitting red days. Overall, I'm expecting it to recover and pump back up in value, heading to around 84-85 cents in value. So not a much higher value than where it is at the moment. It is quite minimal compared to how it has been performing. As you guys can see, over the week itself it has gained 92%, and over the month a massive 150%. So I'm not expecting any more major increases in value. It is likely to be very minimal, but again, do expect red candles in between as well. Moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep in a bullish direction, so this is definitely not realistic at all. Reason, again, same as the previous chart, it is not realistic due to the major pump that's taken place. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, late April, early May, I am expecting ZRX to have taken a quite of a drop down in value, going for a price correction. Right now it is overvalued. I know the crypto market is up with Bitcoin again hovering around its all-time high of near about hitting $70,000, which is absolutely crazy, which has had a positive impact on the crypto market and as well as ZRX as well. However, over the next approximately 2 months, I'm expecting the crypto to be going through a price correction, dropping back down below 50 cents in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. Again, guys, when a crypto is pumping like this, like crazy, it is likely to go for a price correction. But to explain a little bit more, let me bring out the Fibonacci scale and explain to you guys why it's not sustainable at the moment and why it is slightly overvalued. So as you guys can see, previously back in late February, when it was breaking out from the red zone, it did resist for about 2-3 days or about a week even, broke out into the green zone, and then breaking out from the green zone into the dark green zone, it resisted for about 3 days. However, from the green zone, it literally broke out into the blue zone, from the blue zone into the top tier level, all in 1 day without any resistance at resistance levels, meaning it is overvalued and most likely going to drop back down into the dark green zone over the coming weeks and potentially back down into the green zone by late April, early May is what my expectations are at the moment. However, yes, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400% in the last 24 hours, making it over $515 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is one of the top gainers, or the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So we are seeing a lot more activity, a lot more people trading the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of ZRX pump up even higher. So can the crypto potentially hit the dollar mark in 2024? Personally, yes, I do believe it can. However, not anytime soon. Towards the very end of the year, so Q4 of 2024 is when I'm expecting ZRX to be hitting the dollar mark. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting the crypto to be hitting the $1 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.